Hello friends, my name is Lakshman Murlidhar Billewar. So today we will discuss about SCP, that is string constant pool. The string constant pool is a special memory area. When we declare a string literal, the JVM creates the object in the pool and stores its reference on the stack. Before creating each string object in memory, the JVM performs some steps to decrease the memory overhead. What is the string pool? String pool is nothing but the storage area in Java heap where string literals stores. It is also known as string intern pool or string constant pool. It is just like object allocation. By default it is empty and privately maintained by the java.string class. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of strings may increase the constant and memory, to which may reduce the performance also. The JVM performs some steps during the initialization of strings literals that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of strings objects created in the JVM, when we create a string literal, the JVM first check that literal in the string pool. If the literal is already present in the pool, it returns a reference to the pooled instance. If the literal is not present in the pool, a new string object takes place in the string pool. So what is string constant pool in Java? Memory in Java is divided into three parts, that is heap, stack and string pool. The string constant pool is a special area used to store string literals. Before Java 7, the string pool was part of the permanent generation memory area. Starting Java 7, strings are allocated in the Java heap area along with the other objects created by the application. Later in Java 8, permanent generation has been completely removed. So in the latest JVMs, the string pool is a special area in heap memory allocated for storing the string literals. Then creating string in Java. There are two ways to create a string in Java. First in using string literals, second using new keyword. Then what is Java string intern method? The Java string intern method puts the string in the string pool or refers to another string object from the string pool having the same value. It returns a string from the pool if the string pool already contains a string equal to the string object. It determines the string by using the string.equals object method. If the string is not already existing, the string object is added to the pool and a reference of the string object is written. So points to remember, there are following points about string, interning and string pool that keeps in the mind. The string is immutable in Java and string pool is an implementation of the string inheriting concept. That's all about the SEP. Thank you.